Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Ragu 6-in-1 laminator with touchscreen. According to the listing, it says Ragu 6-in-1 laminator with touchscreen A4 laminator machine set, 9-inch thermal laminator, corner rounder, paper trimmer, 40 laminating pouches, single hole punch for home, school, office, and so on. Yeah, that's a big topic here. I mean, we have homeschooling, we have home office and those things, and this could be a nice enhancement to your home office, also for school and those things. So here we have the box GS284. We have a little bit of description on the side here, a little bit of specs, but you'll find everything on Amazon. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. So this is what we get. We get the laminator, we get instructions, some troubleshoot thing, help, contact information. We get a nice hole punch here, which you can use if you don't have this like edge cutter, and we get the pouches, and yeah, so we are actually ready to go. If you're worried about shipping, I can tell you this was nicely packaged and protected with this foam here, styrofoam. That's also good to know. And as always, I'm going to show you the manual instructions very quickly. So if you want to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you lost your instructions, you can see everything here. But it looks like everything is really straightforward and not too complicated, and it should be possible for everybody to use this thing. So here's the laminator a little bit in more detail. You can see here we have the cutter, then we have these angles, we have the on-off with the display, we have some feeding information or help. That's the button here, and you can see that's intended just for 1 voltage, so it doesn't work worldwide. So usually where you buy it, you can use it. And here's in the back, there's this button ABS here. If you have a paper jam, you can just click here and pull the paper out. So there's not much here which you can do or which you can do wrong. That's the good thing. Yeah, what we also get, of course, yeah, here these are these pouches here. They come in 3 different sizes. So we have the smaller one, medium, and the large one, 10 of each size, at least that was in my package. And if you do that the first time, you have to make sure that you open that. I mean, it's just it's not a single sheet, that's really a pouch. And you see this on this side, there is a little bit of a gap here, which is fully transparent, so you don't have to open it here. So open it on the other side. You see that here. I hope you can see the difference here. Don't open this on this side, but on this side. If it's not possible with your fingers, what I found is helpful can be a small knife or something like that, and then you can try a couple of times, and sometimes this works, but usually it's not necessary, and you can easily open that, and then you put the documents inside here. So here I have 3 AAA memberships here inside in this small pouch. Just when you do multiple things, just make sure that it has a little bit of a gap so you can cut nicely in between. Doesn't have to be straight aligned because you're cutting anyway. So we have to turn it on first, of course. So after plugging in, you have to press for 1 second, and then you see the temperature going up to make it ready. So at this point it's not ready. We have to wait for the green light. So it takes about 2 minutes to have the green light and the on, and so we are ready with the first laminating process. So we have so I'm trying to center this here, and I start with this side here. I think that's better, where we have some transparent part here at the beginning. So I'm feeding this in here till it automatically starts pulling this in. So there's nothing else to do. We smell a little bit the gluing process, and now in the back it's coming out, so you can see it's pretty fast. So it's already finished. Maybe it's hot. Yeah, it's not too hot. We can really touch it, and you can see it has turned fully transparent. So before it was like this, and after the gluing process it is fully transparent. And I let it cool down a little bit. I mean, we can turn the thing off now. It's pressing for 1 second as well. And now we can start to cut after cooling down a little bit. So to cut, we have to push down this fully. So we'll see that's a little bit of a difference. If you just do like this, it won't cut. So you really have to push down here. Just make sure that everything is properly aligned before you start cutting, and then secure it with one hand and push down with the other hand and start cutting. And you can see it has really done a nice cut here. So you can see we have our first result here. It's not a beautiful result because, yeah, it's my first thing, but you can see the cut is really nice, everything really good. So I think, yeah, it's really nice and almost flat. Yeah, now at the end we can even cut the corners here, because the corners are really sharp. So it's definitely worth to cut the corners here. So to cut the corners, you have to make sure that with the corners it goes into this small gap between these metal plates here, and then you push, and you can see it gives you a really nice corner here instead of this really dangerous thing. So quite a difference. You can see a pretty nice result. I'm super happy with that. And as a final step, if you just want to make it perfect, you can use these key rings and the hole punch. You can make a hole here and then use the key ring to have the thing always with you. I think that's a really nice bonus here. For me, it has definitely been working, and I hope it will work for you too. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.